What's up guys, welcome to the Hardwin82 channel. I'm Adam and today we're gonna talk about websites you should know and you should start using right now. Internet from the beginning was a huge place to browse, but today it's just tremendous. With all that websites, all that information, you need someone to show you the websites you should know and you should visit at least once, because they are very handy, they are very powerful, they are something you might need one day. So I'm gonna talk about this. Welcome to my new series. We will talk about websites you should know. In today's episode, I'm gonna talk about 3 websites. They are very handy for graphic designers, for all kinds of purposes related to the pictures. So yeah, let's have a look. Let's jump to the internet and I will show you what I have for you. The first website is called Brandmark, brandmark.io. If you for any reason needs to create a logo, this website is for you. You don't need to hire anybody. You don't need to even think too much about your new logo. Maybe you wanna open the business or you wanna make a simple business card, but there has to be a logo somewhere. Maybe you need to create your Instagram account, maybe YouTube account, whatever. If you need a logo, this website is for you. So let's have a look. It's very easy to use, so let's try it. Okay, first thing you need to do is just put the name of your brand. Let's say for my purposes, I want to create a logo for myself. I already have a logo, but let's see what this website has to offer to me. Okay, so my brand name is Hardwin82. Slogan, yeah, we could put something like tips and tricks. Yeah, let's have a look. Step number 2, keywords. This is the important part of this process because you need to be very precise. So because my channel is about the technology, first keyword, technology. What else? Tips and tricks. Okay, let's try with this. Step number 3, my color style. So my logo is here and I have this style. This is my style, but maybe I shall try something new. Let's go with something simple. Let's have a look. Okay. Now this is the step when AI is thinking about different options. So let's see what they have for me. Okay, so it took it maybe, I don't know, 5-10 seconds and already we have some options. Okay, let's have a look. So first option, I don't know, if you look for something minimalistic, that's probably something for you. Nothing special, just the name of my channel. The color goes from dark to light gray. Okay, so this is option number 1. Option number 2, very similar. Okay, now it's getting more interesting because we have something like a USB stick here, which is very good because first thing you will think when you see USB logo, it's something about the computers. So we are getting there. Okay, what else? Arrow, okay, it's like a mouse pointer. Computer. This looks a little bit like a network. So when you go to the network settings, you might see different computers connected together. That's interesting. I like it. It's more techy, let's say. Okay, maybe a little bit like a cyberpunk vibe. That's very interesting. Very interesting. Okay. I like logos like this. You need to have this small touch. I like minimalistic logos like this. Simple, straight away when you see computer and a smartphone, you have roughly idea what is it about. Okay, let's try something new. Here you go, we have a logo for our new beauty salon. Okay guys, you have roughly idea what is it about. You need to spend some time, you need to be a little bit creative, you need to play with different styles, with different keywords, but yeah, in few minutes you can have your brand new logo for your brand new website, Instagram account, YouTube channel, whatever you want. So the first website you should know is brandmark.io. Okay, what else I have for you guys? It's a website I'm using on almost daily basis. All my YouTube thumbnails were created here. This is a really fantastic place for everybody. The amount of things you can do here is gigantic. So you can make small videos like intros. You can make a YouTube banner, YouTube thumbnail, presentations, Facebook posts, Instagram posts, logos as well, some kind of documents, resume. You have really a lot of things to do here. So for example, maybe you want to make a new website. So let's click here. You can choose from ready templates and start playing with that. I will just show you quickly how I am using this. So when I log into the system, I have all my thumbnails here. So for example, my last thumbnail I was creating here. It's a very easy thing to do, just drag and drop and play with it. So the whole procedure looks like this. You are choosing whatever you want to do. In my case, will be YouTube thumbnail. Then you are picking from all those ready for you templates, and you can edit as much as you want. Some of them they are not free. So what I'm showing you and what I am using is a basic pure free version. Things are getting a little bit more complicated if you really want to use one of those thumbnails. For example, this one, you really like that, you want to use it, so I'm afraid you need to have a pro account, but you don't need to worry about that. I made like a 50 freaking thumbnails using the free basic version. It's a very powerful tool, and yeah, this is another website you should know. And the last website I want to represent you in this episode is Photopedia.com. Quite often I'm hearing that someone has to have Photoshop, and that freaking tool is very expensive. This website is for someone who doesn't have Photoshop, never used it before, and you want to go go and check how that works. So this is basically online Photoshop editor that is for free. Everybody can use it. So let's find out how that works. Okay, so I have a file that I want to edit. I'm just simply dragging and drop it. And now I can do whatever I want with this. So this layout, I don't know if you ever use Photoshop. It's basically the same. All the tools here are very alike you have in the full version of Photoshop. You have layers, you have all kinds of options here. You can do basically whatever you want. So let's have a look. Even shortcuts are working. I just click Ctrl C, which is copy, Ctrl V, paste. So I have another layer. Boom, I have extra piece of what I just copied. What else I can do? Let's say I wanna mess with this, with those numbers. So what I can do here. That's freaking amazing. You can do whatever you want. It's basically what you have in your full version. Yeah, okay, what else? Obviously you can play with brightness, contrast, all sorts of things. Okay, transform, we can rotate, we can flip, we can reduce colors. Let's have a look how this works. So don't be scared if you for a few seconds nothing is happening, because this is online editor. Whatever you click here has to be this command has to be sent to the server, then the CPU on the server is doing what you ask to do, and then they are sending back the results. So there is a small delay. So obviously Photoshop installed on your drive will work faster, but for simple things that's great. Okay, I don't want this. Let's cancel that. What else? We have auto contrast. Let's see how this will work. I feel like nothing happened. Okay. Yeah, absolutely nothing. Okay, what else? Adjustments. Let's change the contrast by ourselves. Okay. Brightness. Beautiful. Contrast. Guys, basically you have everything you need in this place. Alright guys, that's gonna be it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, consider subscribing and don't forget to smash that like button, but like always, only if you want, and I shall see you next time. Thank you. Bye.